Searching for the best air fryer on Amazon? Here are the top 5 bestsellers in 2025, trusted by thousands of happy customers. Number 1 is the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone 8-quart. 2 baskets mean you can cook chicken and fries at the same time. Over 35,000 5-star reviews call it a game changer for family meals. At number 2, the Cosori Turbo Blaze 6-quart. Customers say it's super quiet and lightning fast. With a powerful fan system, it cooks 46% faster than older models. Perfect balance of price and performance. Third is the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart. Compact, versatile, and one-touch smart programs. Reviewers love the crispy results, with one saying, "It replaced my oven for daily cooking." Fourth, the Ninja 4-quart air fryer. Simple, affordable, and ideal for small kitchens. Over 20,000 reviewers give it top marks for reliability, saying, "It's the only appliance I use daily." And finally, the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Fryer Oven. More than just an air fryer, you can roast, bake, and air fry all in one. Customers call it the perfect upgrade for big families. These 5 air fryers are Amazon's hottest sellers right now. Stock runs out quickly and prices change without warning. Click the links in the description to see today's deal and grab yours before it's gone.